Okay, so we are getting to the review part of the AP exam. And remember, it is going to be on May 11th, I believe. And so the review, we're going to be doing this for a couple of weeks. So I have basically you choose what you want to do. Just remember that you still have to do, I think it's, hold on. 3 weeks, 4 weeks worth of review. So we're going to be doing 2 credits and for 4 weeks. So each week has to be a different credit whenever you do this. So here's the exam review. There's different options. Option 1 is an FRQ and an FRQ peer review. So you get for 1 credit for both parts must be completed by each person. Part 1, complete 4 released FRQs. You can find these online. All FRQs must be written in complete sentences except for the math portion because it's math. On all math questions, you must show your work, including units. And then in part 2, you're going to peer review it and grade it. And you can look at scoring guidelines for the AP FRQs. So you need to get with a buddy and grade each other's FRQs when you're done. You may earn 2 credits for this assignment by completing a total of 8 FRQs and peer reviewing a total of 8 FRQs of a peer. So that's 2 credits if you want to choose to do that. Option 2 is a law study card. For 1 credit, you can make a quick study card or a folder. This can be digitally, or you can draw it out and take a picture and submit it that way on Canvas. Option 3 is a unit study card, like what we've been doing with each unit for bonus points. I have some example of the units that the College Board gave, and you can assign or recreate it that way. Math review, option 3, for 1 credit, you can complete the math review sheet. You must show all your work. Here is the math review, option 3. I have it all right here. Option 4 is lists and comparison. You can, for 1 credit, complete the list and comparison worksheet. I have it in this giant packet that we have here. More math. Here's option 4, the list review. So you need to, how many items belong in each list. This is, it tells you. You need to have 5 items, 6 items, 4 items, and there you go. Sorry, having to scroll up and down. Option 5 is compare and contrast review. For 1 credit, complete the comparison worksheet. I have that scrolled down. Option 6, Bozeman EdPuzzles. You can receive 1 credit, choose 1 unit of study, watch all the videos for that unit, and complete the associated questions with it. You may earn 3 credits by watching videos and completing associated questions for 3 units of study. So option 6, I am going to show you that. Then scroll all the way down here. There's a lot going on. I'm going to have the EdPuzzle up, and basically you must start off with this video here to watch it and answer that question. And then I have all the different units of study here, and you're going to basically right click it whenever it works, and go to that direct link, and that you will watch the videos and answer the questions that go with that. It's pretty cool, and it should be up soon. And I have the 3 things to know for option 7 for 1 credit. Complete the 3 things to know worksheet. And then option 8, creating an APES alphabet review book. This is for 2 credits. Create an alphabet review book, basically starting with A, what's like A for APES, and then creating a book that way. Again, this can be digitally since we are stuck at home. Option 9, placement review. So placemats or placemat review are about 11 by 17 sheets of paper that use text, diagrams, images to cover a particular topic. Basically, you're trying to make a lot of information in a compact study sheet, and for 1 credit, you complete 1 placement covering one unit from the course guideline. You may earn up to 3 credits by completing the 3 placemats covering 3 different units of study. So whenever you do it each week, here's your APES exam review cover sheet. You're going to ignore this part. I will delete that soon and modify it since we're not going to be in class. So I need an X right there. That's what I need. Anyways, so APES exam review sheet, cover sheet, you're going to put which option number and the name of it, unit of study, credits available, and then I will put what credits you earn. So when you turn this in, make sure to do this so I know exactly what you did and where to find it, basically. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or remind me, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thanks.